Hi, my name is Yvonne DeCellis. I'm going to make this kind of brief. I have a question for all of my viewers. If you're new to the channel, hello. I hope you will be back. If you're not new, I welcome you with open arms. I'm not going to stop, even though I probably should, because I don't want to trip. But I just have a question. Have you found any pay-to-play apps for the phone that are not a scam, that actually pay? I'm just curious about that because I'm always seeing ads for them, but they're all a bunch of scams and it's all time wasters. They're all major time sucks and they don't pay anything. I remember a very long time ago finding something that did work, but it didn't pay well at all. And I honestly don't remember what it was. I wish I did. If I ever do think of it, I will leave a note down below this video. But if you know of anything that actually works, that you from experience have actually gotten paid from, please leave comments down below. I'm really curious because I think they're all a bunch of BS, but I don't know. So again, if you know of anything you can do where you don't have to spend any money and you can actually make money, even if it's just pennies, can you let us know by putting it down below? And I guess that's it. I'm going to shut up now because I don't want to fall. So sorry for the shaky cam. I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Peace and light. Bye-bye.